guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yayla Michelle, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this super cute high curly ponytail using a drawstring from To All My Black Girls. So let's get started. So I'm starting basically on an old twist out. I already have my hair sectioned into two, which is going to make this process easier, especially for us thick hair girls. So I'm going ahead and spraying one half of my hair with just plain water. This just basically makes it easier when I apply my gel so that it works throughout my hair a little bit better since I do have more of a coarse texture. So I'm just using Wetline Extreme Gel because it's very lightweight and it just makes it easier to distribute gel through my hair. So that's my gel of choice. So I'm just using it in the front and the back. And then I'm taking a Tangle Teezer to really help get out any lumps in my hair because I want to try to get this as smooth as possible. And I've learned that using a Tangle Teezer first before a board bristle brush helps a lot. So I'm just taking that section and putting it away, and I'm going to start doing the same process to the other section, just wetting the hair to basically prepare it for the gel so it's not all stiff, and just wetting the front and back of my hair. Alright, and then I'm just taking my gel and I'm going to work that throughout the section as well, like I said, making sure I get this nice and sleek. You can use whatever gel works best for your hair, whatever you know works good when you sleek your hair. And then once again, taking my Tangle Teezer, working that through. And now I'm just going to take both sections and combine them because you're going to work your hair into one high ponytail. If you do not need to split your hair into two to make it easy for you to work your hair into one big ponytail, then you don't have to do the separate sections like I did. But since I have thick hair and sometimes it's hard to do, I do split it into two before I gather it all into one section. So now I can go ahead and take my board bristle brush and I'm just going to slick it down just to make everything a bit more smoother because I want a nice sleek look. So now I'm going to go ahead, do a little bit more brushing, get it sleek to my likeness. And then I'm going to take my two Goody Brunch scrunchies. I always use two since, once again, I have thick hair. Taking two scrunchies and I'm just going to loop that around about 2 times. I'm not going to do it too many times because if I do it too many times, I get a headache from my scrunchies being too tight. So I just try to do it enough times so that it's nice and secure and it's in place. And then with the hair that is left out, I'm just going to secure it into a smaller bun. You want to get it as small as possible because that hair is going to have to hide inside of the drawstring ponytail. So I'm just twisting it up, bobby pinning it away to make it as small as possible. And I am using bobby pins to secure it in place, and then one scrunchie to really just make sure the hair isn't going anywhere. So here we are. Here's my To All My Black Girls package, and this is the 20-inch kinky straight ponytail. And it does have 4 drawstring clips, so it is really going to make sure it's able to secure all over your hair. So as you can see, I'm just going to place the clips on all sides of my bun. And then there's going to be a little string back there. As you guys can see, I'm putting it in my hair, and I'm just going to pull it, and you're going to start to see the drawstring at the top of my head getting smaller and smaller. So it's closing in around that little bun that I created. And then once you do that, I'm just going to take that string and wrap it around my head so it's not just dangling. You want to secure it in place, and I usually just take a bobby pin once I get to the end and secure it. And now I'm just taking some hair from the back and I'm going to wrap that around the weft. As you guys can see, I'm just covering that up. That just makes this ponytail look even more realistic. And then I'm just going to secure the end with a bobby pin, and then we're going to work on making the front look a little bit more sleek and working in the edges. So I'm using the Alakay Naturals Lemongrass Slay Edge Gel. I really like this stuff. It is a firm hold and it just really helps with any more of those flyaways. So I'm going ahead applying that and then brushing it with my board bristle brush, and then I'm just going to take my edge control edge brush out my baby hairs and just lay my edges with that Alakay Naturals edge control gel. And then pretty much after that's done, I just tie my hair down for about 20 minutes. and then I'll undo it, and that's the first look. So you can basically wear your hair in a straight ponytail if you want. You know, it looks really cute like this. I liked it. And another thing, the hair is really, really soft. It doesn't shed. It looks very, very natural, and I love it. Like, it's really like a natural kinky hair texture, soft, no shedding, like I said. Um, Really good quality hair, and it's really thick. It's 150 grams, so it's really thick hair, so it looks really natural. So next with this hair, I'm just going to curl wand it. So I'm just taking my curling wand, and I'm just going to place a few curls in the hair. So that's another style you can do with it. This hair does hold a curl really, really good. Like I said, this is 100% virgin human hair, so you can pretty much do whatever you want with it, and it's going to hold up really good. So I really love the quality of this hair. You can straighten it, you can curl it, and it's really soft, and it can hold a curl. It's amazing hair. It's amazing quality. I really love how thick it is. That's what makes it look even more natural. Like, they really did a good job with the texture of getting it to look like, basically, you know, our natural hair texture. So I really, really love this hair. Bomb. And yeah, I'm just going ahead and placing those curls in there, and the finished look is super, super cute. Like, I love how versatile this hair is. You can do so many styles with this hair, and if I didn't mention, this is 20-inch hair, and the final look is so, so cute. So if you guys are interested in this hair, check out To All My Black Girls. I do have a discount code, Yaelin10, you can use when you check out on the website. This isn't the only drawstrings they have. They have so many options. They have wigs, the drawstring ponytails, and so much more. So make sure you check out their website. Use my code to save some cash, and they are shipping through all of the craziness that is happening. But look at those curls. They're beautiful. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.